Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the creative and interesting things I did in the previous week. So this is like a weekly vlog, however I haven't really shared everything I did in the previous week but just some of the interesting things. I also received my books that I ordered, so I opened my mail in this vlog. So there's a bunch of interesting things waiting for you next. I am hoping that you will enjoy this video as I have tried to make this as therapeutic and relaxing as I could. If you find this video valuable, then do make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I tried to make corn and potato sandwich. This is the first time I used Act 2 sweet corn and this is delicious, also so easy to make. So you get a pack of corn like this and there's water in this packet as well, and you get this masala pouch. This is peri peri masala. So you just have to pour in the corn in a bowl and you have to microwave it for 2 minutes, but I turned off the microwave after 1 minute only and it was enough. The corn was ready after 1 minute and then I added the peri peri masala. I had a few corns after adding the masala and it's so delicious. You can eat it just like this. You don't have to make a sandwich out of this. It's just absolutely amazing. It's a great snack, I feel. So then I started preparing the filling. Since I love sandwich, so I thought of investing in a sandwich maker. I got this Prestige sandwich maker from Amazon. This is the best selling one. It's also really affordable and it's perfect. So I think it's great. I give this sandwich maker a thumbs up, 5 out of 5 stars. It's amazing. So first you have to preheat the sandwich maker, and for that you don't have to do anything fancy. Just turn it on and it will start preheating. Once the heating is done, you will see the green light will also turn on, and that's when you know that you have to place the sandwich inside it. After placing the sandwich, try to close it. Once the sandwich settles, you will be able to close the clip and just wait. I keep checking the sandwiches because I don't want them to turn really brown, because then the bread gets really chewy and I don't like that. So this is the color that I prefer, and it turned out really delicious. I was also reading this book Quiet, which is all about the power that introverts hold in this world, that is all about talking and being loud. So I am really enjoying this book as well. Now the sandwich turned out so delicious. It was moist, it was just absolutely perfect. I know I'm praising myself, but what can I do? It was actually really good. So if you guys try this recipe, then definitely share with me the pictures on Instagram. I would love to share them on my stories. If you guys like these recipes, then let me know in the comment section, so I will continue to share them in my vlogs. Next, I got some packages from Amazon. I'd ordered these books and I was waiting for these books so much. The first book that I got is The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. I wanted to read Brené Brown books from a really long time, but I was just being very miser. Finally, I invested in this book and I am loving it. Next, I got 2 more books, one fiction and another one is non-fiction. The fiction book that I got is The Lost Apothecary by Sarah Penner. I have heard so much about this book and I absolutely fell in love with its cover. Like, as you can see, it's absolutely exquisite. Whoever designed the cover deserves an award. And I've heard a lot about this book. Like, this book is all over Bookstagram. I'm seeing it everywhere and I was really intrigued by the blurb of the book. So overall, I'm really excited. However, I picked up the Brené Brown book first because I love non-fiction and I really wanted to read this book and I was so in need. This book has helped me a lot in the past few days to beat self-doubt and to just embrace imperfections. There was this one chapter that talked about how perfectionism comes from shame that I had no idea about. So when we are shameful about some things, we try to cover it up with perfectionism, and perfectionism is not at all productive. It is actually a barrier to success. So that chapter was so engaging and it was so relatable and I learned so much. So right now I'm trying to fight against perfectionism because I procrastinate a lot in the name of perfectionism. So yeah, this book made me realize that and I'm so grateful to Brené Brown. Next, I planned to do this DIY thing. It's nothing fancy, but it looks pretty good. So I got this box from a friend. I also got these new brushes. These brushes are really amazing. These are actually very thin tip brushes and I really needed them. Plus the body of these brushes, they are so beautiful and they are so easy to hold. I am absolutely in love with these brushes. So I thought of just painting this box and turn it into a highlighter case. I wanted to keep my Stabilo Boss highlighters in this box. So I thought that they will look really nice in this box. So that's why I just painted some simple white flowers. I feel like this transparent box looks really nice with these flowers. and I can also see the color of all these highlighters inside this box, and somehow it looks even more prettier. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. I wanted to make it relaxing so that you can just sit down with a cup of coffee or tea and enjoy this video and relax and just chill. So if you did that, then definitely let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.